Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add information to your professional experience section on the BestJobs application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Then you should tap on the menu icon that you will find in the upper left corner of the screen. Now click on the first icon that you can see at the top of the screen. Now you will be directed to the Edit My CV section. You should tap on the professional experience. To the first box, you should type in the job titles, then your employer's name. Then you should rate your experience with the employer by using these stars ranging from 1 to 5. Then you should also select the location of your employment and the duration of your employment. Then you should also indicate your salary amount and by adding your currency as well. And you can also select whether you would like it to be confidential or not. And you can also give a description of your experience by typing it into this box. If you are ready with these steps and you would like to save these data, you should tap on the button Save in the upper right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.